Let me show you how to crochet a herringbone half treble crochet, which is a herringbone half double crochet in US terminology. It's a lovely stitch to use that lies on the slants, so when it's worked in rows it creates a cross-hatching fabric similar to herringbone weave. I am beginning my row with a starting half treble, starting half double in US terminology. If you don't know how to do that, check back for my tutorial on it. The stitch starts with a yarn around hook. Hook through your stitch and pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull the last loop made through the middle loop on the hook, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn around hook and pull through both loops, and that is a stitch made. This only differs from a standard half treble, half double crochet because of that middle section where you pull the end loop through the middle. Importantly though, that step is what creates an extra detail in the fabric, which makes herringbone stitches less lacy, more drapey and slightly flatter. They are a great substitute for standard stitches and I use them a lot in my designs. So let's go through the steps again slowly. Yarn around hook, hook through your next stitch and pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull the last loop made through the middle loop on the hook, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn around hook and pull through both loops, and that is your stitch made. You can see that the stitch has a diagonal slant to it. Let's do that once more. Yarn around hook, hook through stitch and pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Pull the last loop made through the middle loop on the hook, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn around hook and pull through both loops, and you're done. If you swap out standard stitches for herringbone stitches in a pattern, be aware that although the stitch gauge will not change, the row gauge will. You will end up with more rows in a 10 cm 4-inch swatch because the diagonal nature of the stitch squishes it down a little. If you like the look of herringbone half treble, herringbone half double crochet, check out some of my patterns like the strata cardigan, Kimbane shawl, strata bag or the omni shawl. Once you've mastered this stitch, I promise you, you will just fall in love with it and want to use it in all the things.